Hi, diversity and inclusion. This is a topic which is most talked about in the corporate world. Be it a large corporation, mid-size, or even a small firm, everyone understands the value of diversity and inclusion. Diversity means diversity of thoughts, listening to different viewpoints, understanding different perspectives, and all this brings value in terms of innovation, problem solving, execution excellence, bringing efficiency, cost reduction. Now, if you take this concept and apply at an individual level, it's all about meeting different people from different backgrounds and expanding one's horizon, expanding one's breadth, expanding one's business acumen. And that will foster innovation, problem solving, new collaborative ideas. So, with that in intent, I plan to attend the LinkedIn Local Pune, which brings so many active LinkedIn users in Pune to offline meeting, which will help us to build new network, learn new things, get new ideas, and maybe a better collaborative opportunities. So I'm looking forward for the upcoming December LinkedIn Local Pune. Also looking forward to meet you, listen to you, understand you, and help learn something from you as well. Thank you.